I don't know about you, but baby pink gift boxes makes my heart flutter. Glad to have you with me as I unbox this pretty one from a Glow Up Hub PH. So we have here this cute night mask. This a Glow Up LED beauty stick. This beauty mask. This clay mask that is for the face and the body. And this soy wax tablet that smells so nice. And it sets the mood for an awesome spa day. Notice those little thingies over there. It's actually rose quartz crystal. And this whitening soap. So I have tried this before this unboxing. This is a red LED that emits heat, and it did dry my small pimple overnight and brighten up the mark that it left after a couple of days. I have yet to try it on a huge one. Trying it out on this budding wrinkle I have in my forehead. And this is where I ask you to forgive me for being awkward. Look at all those pretty pink things. So the soy wax tablet has mellowed me out and I'm vibing this eye mask. So, good night. Goodbye.